Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of the game Drive Zone Online. So as you can see, I'm pretty poor, but in the mod menu I can actually enable unlimited coins and unlimited points. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works, and let's see if it goes up. So currently I am not seeing a change, but hopefully our resources start increasing. So let's see what happens. And yeah, no change yet, but let's see what we get. And bang, guys, as you can see, it's going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Drive Zone Online modded version for your device so you can get unlimited money. So let's get into the video. So first thing we're going to do, open up a new tab. And what I want you to do is go to the website tweakmod.com. Alright, so once you're on this site, guys, just go to the search bar, type in Drive Zone, press install, and this will start installing the mod. So at the end, guys, there is going to be a verification you got to do. It's pretty easy. You just download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. But you can see right there, it shows a little Apple and Android logo. So it does work on both, which is wild because a lot of people think that like it can only work on iOS or it can only work on Android. It's the more common one. But yeah, let's just see what happens, guys, if we see anything happen to our app. So as you can see, it is now going to bring us to the verification page. So it says missing files. So we just need to download 2 of these apps. It doesn't have to be the same ones as me, but like Travel Town says reach level 9, for instance. So I just press continue, and then it takes me to the app store and I could download it. And all I have to do is reach level 9 on the game. There's also like Evertail, which just says down and run for 30 seconds. Underdog Fantasy, same process. So a lot of these are just down and run for 30 seconds, and you only have to download 2 of them. So after you do that, the Drive Zone mod should be installed. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to try it out, guys, because this actually works and it's pretty cool.